I just figure if I turn the camera on before I'm actually ready to film that I'll just word vomit and then I'll have some good material for my video. I have boogers. Sorry. Okay guys, so let's get started. I already did this one eye. As you guys can see, I was kind of playing with the colors and just making sure that it was gonna look right. I already did this look on my Instagram page and I posted it and everything, but then when I looked back, I saw some things that I could have done differently. So I tried to incorporate them in the video today. However, I had to improvise because it didn't really work out either the way I wanted. And that happens a lot with makeup. You just really can't predict sometimes the way something's gonna go. You just have to kind of go with the flow. Okay, there was a ton of fallout on this side of my eye from the glitter, so we're gonna try and make sure that doesn't happen on this side. I'm gonna go in with the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid, and that's what we're gonna use to prime the lid. Now, what was I gonna say? Forgot. Oh yeah, you guys need to tell me if you like this kind of video more than just seeing me do everything including my face, because I do have like my foundation and everything done already, and so I'm not sure if that's something that you guys rather. Or like me, I just like people to get to the point. I don't like all the rambling unless it's like a rambling video and I know that that's what I'm going in to watch. I just need to see the look. Let me see what you're doing, and then if you want to talk while you're doing it, okay, talk. Okay, so once I apply my primer, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the first color for our foundation or base, and it's gonna be this color right here, just a nice cool brown with a blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start applying that all over the lid, just kind of sweeping it all over the place. I feel like the brown really works with the teal colors that we're using, and so that's why I chose this. And this is also good because it's gonna set the primer, the eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same palette and I'm gonna go in with this darker brown right here. Just start applying some of that brown into the crease like this and blending that in. I'm not gonna focus too much on this. This is just as a guide to where I want to put my glitter, and then I'm gonna go back and come and add more of that brown. So right now I'm just kind of placing the product there. So guys, it's been so long since I filmed. I've had videos on backup that I had the footage and I just had to go in and edit them, and that's really what I've been posting. But I've been so like MIA from in front of the camera. The Aladdin movie just came out and I feel like I'm late to the party. I saw the movie yesterday. It was so good, and so I was like, why didn't I make a video of Princess Jasmine makeup, which I did before the movie came out, but it was like an Insta mini on my Instagram and I wasn't super happy with it. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Somebody knocking on my door. Guys, I got my packages from Sephora. I can't open it yet because I have to finish filming this video, but I've been waiting for those packages for a while. I feel like Sephora takes forever to ship. Okay, so let's get back to it. What was I doing? What was I talking about? I don't remember. I have a really bad memory. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this palette right here, and I'm gonna use this mint color here. It's called Sisters. And with that color, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid. What brush did I use? I don't even remember. Okay, I'm gonna use kind of like a tapered brush. Is this tapered? No, that's not tapered. Whatever. I'm gonna use a brush and just apply that mint color all over my lid. I really like this palette because it has a lot of pigmentation and it was really inexpensive. It was like 20 something dollars. This is the Obsessed Pinky Rose palette. As usual, I'll put all the products that I use down below, so even if I don't say what product I'm using, because sometimes I just really want to talk about what color I'm using, not so much the brand. I want people to focus on the colors and stuff like that, and so I don't know what I'm saying. Apply that all over your lid right here and stop right at the crease like that. I'm gonna go ahead and start using the Iridescent Sage. This is what it looks like right here, the pigment. The reason it doesn't have an actual packaging is because I took it from work. It's a matte color and it's called Iridescent Sage, and it's a beautiful glitter. What I'm gonna do with that is first I'm gonna wet my brush. No, wait, that's not the brush. I'm gonna wet it. Then I'm gonna go in with my glitter glue, and I'm gonna place that glitter glue in sections, but I'm gonna start right at the beginning and I'm gonna go up to the crease And I'm gonna do half first. Then I'll take some of that color that I have on the cap and start applying that glitter on there. And just apply it wherever I applied the Nye glue. And it's gonna stick really good, and that's why I love that glue, because it's probably the best glitter glue that I've ever used. The only thing is that sometimes, even if you can't get the glue bottle open because it'll stick to the bottle, put it in hot water and then it'll come undone, like boiling water, and let it sit there for a little bit and it'll pop right open. Now I did that first side, now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And I did it in sections just because I want to make sure that it comes out right, and I feel like if I just do it all at the same time, the glue in the back might get dry by the time I get there. There is a lot of fallout, which is why I still have powder under my eyes, because I did do my foundation off camera. And just stay really tight to the crease, like that. If it's not perfect, it's fine, guys. Your eyes are open anyways. People think that makeup has to look so perfect. On Instagram, everything is like photoshopped, I promise you. What I'm gonna do is grab my blending brush again and go back in with that brown color, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of soften up the crease a little bit. And now with the dark one, I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown, which is this guy right here. Oops, this guy right here. And I almost feel like this eye is coming up better than this eye. I kind of rushed because my son will be home soon, and you guys know that that's it, it's a wrap when he gets home. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. That looks decent. Then what I'm gonna do is grab my clean shader brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with this lighter shade right here. You can even do this bone color right here. It's like a bone beige. I'm gonna grab a little bit of both and just kind of use that as my brow highlight. I was trying to think, I'm like, wait, what's it called again? Brow highlight. Then just kind of blend it out. I could still feel like the glitter falling on my face. There's a lot of fallout. That's why I hate glitter sometimes. Ew. Ew. Okay, most of it, my powder caught it, so that's good. That's what I wanted. Let me close this glue before it like spills. This is what it looks like if you're interested. I'll link it down below too. It's the Nye Glitter Glue. It already spilled. It literally was up to here when I started filming, and it spilled all over my vanity and stained it, and now I have almost nothing left. I got it at the makeup club on Hollywood Beach. So then I'm gonna go in with my lashes. I'm using the Lilly lashes in Opulence, and I'm gonna apply those really quick. Guys, I have the DR vlog, like when I went to Dominican Republic, but I really didn't get good footage of anything, and so I don't even know if I'm gonna post it. Would you guys still want to see like footage? It was literally just us hanging out, not doing anything special at all, eating at the pool. I'm gonna get some mascara and put it on real quick. I'm not gonna walk you guys through this specific step of applying my lashes because I have an entire video dedicated to that. So if you guys want to see that, I'll definitely link it above or something, or you can go on my channel and check it out. Show us some love. Get it past the 100 views, please. Please, maybe 200. I don't know, I'm just saying, because it's pretty sad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. I didn't apply any. Why does this eye look so much better than this eye? I didn't apply any liner or anything like that. It's gonna rain outside for sure. I didn't apply any liner or anything like that because I felt like this look didn't call for it. But you can definitely feel free to do so if you want to. Put this on my lashes, make it dry quicker. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes. Come on, guys, don't let me down. I'm on camera, don't embarrass me. Ooh, baby, that was easy. Who do I think I am? Boom, yes. So guys, I'm so happy we made it to 300 subscribers. I had to beat up a couple of my friends who hadn't subscribed to my channel. Can you guys believe that? How do you not subscribe to my channel and you call yourself my friend? Gotta advertise yourself, y'all. When you first start a channel, you can't be just sitting there waiting for them to come to you. They won't, unless by some miracle YouTube throws you in their recommended section, which barely happens. It has happened because I've seen it, but didn't happen to me. So I'm gonna let the lash glue dry a little bit. I really like these lashes. I actually didn't like them when I bought them because I'm used to the Goddess ones. The Goddess ones are way better. Okay, so after that, that's kind of it for the top lid. I'm gonna go in with Steamy. Steamy is like that teal color, but it doesn't have any gold or anything. It's just a nice true pure teal. So for this color, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that in my inner corner. Then I'm gonna go in with this color by MAC. This color is called Green Room. I just kind of want it to sit on the bottom of my lash line, and then I'm gonna put the mint color over it. So I'm gonna grab this little big shader brush and start applying that there as a base. It doesn't have to be super neat. And once I do that, I'm gonna go in with that mint color, which is this color right here. Boom. And I'm gonna place it over that. I'm gonna take my, this is like a nude eyeliner. It's called Matte Nude, and it's a Pixi liner. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this in my lash line. Cool. I'm gonna go in with my mascara and apply some to my bottom lashes. I'm gonna brush off all this extra powder that I have around my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna finish up by putting some blush on because I don't have any blush on. I'm gonna spray myself with Fix Plus real quick, and then we're gonna go in with this blush by MAC, and it's called Prism. And I'm just gonna grab some of that with my brush and apply it right here on the apples of my cheeks. I like it because it really complements the blue that we're using today. On my lips, I'm really just wearing the Fenty gloss. I'm not using lip liner or anything like that. That's what I used in the video that I made for Instagram, and it looked nice and delicious. And so that's what I did today. But do you guys think it's enough? Should I do another color? Oh, it'll be too late for you guys to tell me. And reapply my Fenty gloss. This is it, the one that I have on my lips right now. This is Fenty Glow. And I'm just gonna apply it real quick again. So guys, that is it. I hope, wait, nope, move back. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.